a silver electroplating on it. And these are licensed, guys, fully licensed models from Microturbo. Hello guys, rise and shine, good morning, welcome to RC Overdose X DIECAST Collector. Thank you for tuning in, I hope you're having a great Saturday. Microturbo 164 scale DEKOTORA truck. And this is a custom truck, amazing details, guys. And right off the bat, you guys are gonna see its functionality. This thing opens up something like this. And we'll talk more about Microturbo, the branding, and what they do. Time for some action. So in the box, it shows you a little bit of theme of the truck, what it represents, and it is a 164 scale DEKOTORA Microturbo. So here's our truck. Guys, this is a beautiful piece. Have a look at the chrome shining at you. That is absolute detailed piece, precisely made, and just have a look at those chrome details, guys. It's bling all over. You guys can see the cars behind them in the mirror. It's like a mirror effect. That is pretty cool. So first off, the huge rear view mirrors outside, and they have complete mirror effect detail on them as well. There you go. The interior is also pretty decked out. Good steering wheel, good seats, and also the exhaust. It's looking very realistic to me. The truck also comes with a pair of stickers for both the sides and also the back. It looks very nice, Japanese painting. Yes, you can load your cars inside here, but I wouldn't recommend loading something heavy because this piece right here, guys, the attachment, is not the strongest. So it's very delicate, so be very careful if you have this model. Be very gentle, and it will accommodate with your needs as well.